Hey friends, Gregor with the Pennywise guys. I want to go ahead and continue working on this truck. I'm going to show you how to bring back the color and life to the plastic parts. Last week's video I did the back of the truck. I'm going to show you how to do it on the front of the truck without using any paint or treatments. Simple trick. It works great. Let's get started. As you can see, the parts are really dingy and scarred, discolored, and we're going to go ahead and get this cleaned up, get this paint removed and get all the dirt off, and I'll show you the technique. This gray plastic and the black, okay, and then we're going to try that down there as well, the skirt down below, but we're going to see what this does, but it should come out really nice. Okay, after scraping the paint off and getting it all cleaned up with Windex, I'm going to go ahead and show you what to do. And what you need is a heat gun, and you heat up this plastic. It'll bring back the original color and fill in the blemishes. So we'll go ahead and get started. And it's a little colder today, so it's going to take a little longer to initially get it heated up, but it works on a hot day or a cold day. Cold days got to go a little bit longer. Let's get it going. Keep it moving, have it on high heat. Brings back the original color. This is black, and down here we've got gray. If you got blemishes, go ahead and scarring, just go ahead and heat it up a little bit more, and it'll help to melt into those blemishes and get it to blend in a little bit better. If you're worried about protecting paint, you can use a guard like this to protect paint. But right now, there's nothing here that's going to be harmed. So if you watched my last video, I had to protect some parts with that shield. This one I don't have to do quite as much of that. Get to shoot in into the back there a little bit. Okay, and then it works on most plastics. On the back we had some real thin, low temperature polystyrene that it just softened up the plastic before it started to melt the top surface, so I had to quit. And that one I'll probably just end up painting black, because there's no way I can melt it without distorting the plastic. So if it's too thin, or if it's getting soft because it's low melting point, to stop. But this one is fine. Okay, I've got that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the gray here. This remains the same color, just brightens it up and melts the oxidation off, and the top surface of the plastic gets melted and brings back the original color. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the skirt down here. Alright, I'm going to show some progress here and show you the differences between the untreated areas there. You can see the break, and it came out really nice. I've only done about a fourth of it. I'll do the rest off camera, but I just wanted to show you what this does. Alright, I'll go ahead and complete it and show you the results. Alright, all completed. Looks really nice. I hope this has been helpful. Try it out on your next project. Okay. I pray that you are blessed and that you know Him who is the author of life.